What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Brave browser on your PC or your laptop. So there are two ways. The first one is by going to Microsoft Store. You can enter Microsoft Store by going to search and search for Microsoft Store. And then here at the search bar we're going to search for Brave browser. I'm going to use this method for this tutorial, but I will show you how you can get started on the second method. So after you search Brave browser, all you have to do is to click on install button. And as you can see now, the Brave browser is installing. Then the second method is by going into a browser and you're going to search for Brave browser. And as you can see, the official site is right here. And if you click on it, you can get Brave browser for Windows if you click this link. As you can see, Brave browser just got installed. So all we have to do to open it, we have to go to the search bar and search Brave browser. And as you can see, it's right here. So we're going to click on it. And now we can use browser for our needs. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.